you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyoti and thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk to you guys about one of my favorite books, that is Ikigai. I want to review this book for you guys. I purchased this book from Mumbai airport. मुझे ये बुक 500 रुपये की पड़ी थी वहाँ पे, but you can also buy it cheap. ये Amazon पे available है. I put the link in the description box. So I'll talk about this books into 3 parts. The first part, what this book is based upon. Secondly, इसमें क्या क्या techniques बताई है, and the third thing, what I like about this book. Let's get started. So the first thing that I want to talk to you guys about this book is based upon the lifestyle of Japanese people, and the word Ikigai means the value of life. This book falls under the category of lifestyle, well-being and the art of living. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बोला, ये बुक जापानीज़ लाइफस्टाइल पे बेस्ड है. सो एज़ यू गाइज ऑलरेडी नो, और अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो लेट मी टेल यू, जापान में लोग बहुत ज़्यादा, सो दे हैव अ लॉन्गर लाइफ कंपेयर टू एनीबडी इन दिस वर्ल्ड. सो द ऑथर ऑफ दिस बुक वेंट टू जापान, द ओकिनावा विलेज, एंड ही कंडक्टेड द इंटरव्यू फॉर 800 पीपल देयर, एंड in order to find out what are the things that they do that keeps them happy, healthy, and keep them motivated to live longer. So yeah, so that is the first thing that I wanted to share about this book. Second thing that I want to tell you guys, the techniques which are used in this book. So the first technique that the Japanese people use in order to stay healthy and happy is hara hachibu. This is a Japanese term. Hara hachibu means eat only until your stomach is 80% full. As the statement says that उतना ही खाओ जहाँ तुम्हें लगे कि हाँ पेट भरने वाला है, पूरा भर जाए तब तक मत खाओ, क्योंकि उससे आप लेथार्जिक हो गए, आपकी बॉडी में उतनी एनर्जी नहीं रहेगी काम करने के लिए. इसलिए ऑलवेज ईट फूड टिल योर स्टमक इज़ 80% फुल. सेकेंड थिंग दैट दे टॉक अबाउट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग सोशल टाइज. दैट मीन्स वो लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बिलीव करते हैं सराउंडिंग्स, लोगों के साथ रहने में, उन लोगों के साथ रहने में जिससे वो अपना इंटरेस्ट शेयर करते हैं, मतलब पीपल हु हैव कॉमन इंटरेस्ट, एंड स्टे कनेक्टेड टू योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स एंड योर नेबर्स. सो इस बुक में एक इंटरव्यू लिया गया था जिसमें एक दिस लेडी सेज दैट शी ऑलवेज गोज टू हर फ्रेंड एवरी सिंगल डे just to have a cup of tea with her. That makes her happy. Okay, so the third thing that this book talks about is to stay always busy. कभी भी free मत रहो, अपनी life में कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो. If you will always be engaged in some of the other activities, it will give you a motivation to jump out of the bed every day. तो ये वो, so yeah, this is the third thing. Always stay busy, give your life a purpose, और उसके पीछे चलते रहो, तभी आप you will stay happy, healthy and longer. The fourth thing that this book talks about is to stay mentally fit and to stay physically active. So there are certain techniques that this book talks about for that. The first thing is meditation. Always meditate. Second thing that this book talks about is Surya Namaskar. The third thing that this book talks about is Tai Chi. I don't know about it. Tai Chi is also a sort of physical activity that you guys should do in order to stay healthy. इसके अलावा this book also talks about logotherapy. So logotherapy is basically a psychological therapy, which helps people who are demotivated in their life. So logotherapy, you can also understand it as why you should not commit suicide. I mean, finding the purpose in your life to always stay alive. So there are certain people who lose their zeal to stay alive. उन लोगों के लिए this particular therapy was created to give them the purpose of life. So this book also talks about logotherapy. इसके अलावा, so yeah, these are the things which this book talks about. And be grateful. This is also that Japanese follow. They always be grateful for whatever they have. And the next thing that this book talks about is the term wabi sabi. It is also a Japanese term which says that always appreciate the beauty of perishable and imperfect things, because this is how nature has made it, and you should always appreciate it. Okay, so the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is what I like in this book, and what is my opinion about this book. So I would suggest you guys to buy this book if you guys like reading books, and if you guys are into, you know, spirituality or and you know, art of living, well-being. अगर आप लोगों को ऐसे टॉपिक फैसिनेट करते हैं तो प्लीज़ इस किताब को ख़रीदो और पढ़ो. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस बुक. सो मैंने जो भी आपको बताया इस बुक के बारे में, दैट इज़ जस्ट एन ओवरव्यू ऑफ द बुक. दिस बुक कंटेन्स 200 पेजेस. तो इस बुक में बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो आपको पढ़नी चाहिए और जो आपको फैसिनेट करेगी. सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई लाइक अबाउट दिस बुक इज़, इसमें एक फ्रेज है विच सेज all the only thing that exists and can be controlled is present. Never think about your past and future. Life में खुश तभी रहोगे जब आप अपने present में रहोगे. If you'll think about your past, and if you'll, you know, overthink about your future, then you will lose your happiness. That is the second thing that I like. And I like Wabi Sabi, the concept of Wabi Sabi, because this talks about you know, how to appreciate the beauty, how to appreciate everything that's there, how you should not play around with the beauty of nature and things that are. Always appreciate the things how they are and never try to change anything which is there. And yeah, so this is what I like about this book. So that's about the video. I hope you guys found this video interesting and informative. In case anything that I can help you with regarding this book, feel free to ask any question in the comment section below. And yeah, that's it. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.